All right, this is level 5, learning log. As a note, I have moved to another notebook. I ran out of space on the first one, so we're gonna write physics interactive learning log, and we should say number 2. This is the second book. And at some point we'll write level 5 to whatever. Leave some space for the table of contents. I left a couple 3 pages here for a table of contents, stuff that you might want to put at the front. Here it is, level 5, Newton's laws, forces. There is the mission tracker. As a note, this page right here, which is the second page, there's only 3 sections. You just needed 3 sections. You can just throw this away. Not needed. Then there's the forces equations. By the way, notice the numbering system. 5.1 or 5-1, however you want to do that. 5.2, 5.3, 5.4 is forces preconceptions, just like some pre-work we want to talk about as we begin the unit. 5.5 is, now, let me talk about this. This is actually an interesting point here. In this level, there's a lot of words. These are actually part of the notes. And so as you read the notes, I'm going through this in the videos in more detail. And the spaces is where you're going to be putting stuff. So there's a lot of stuff here that you also should read as you're going through this. Here's 6 and 7, 8 and 9. So it's long, but it's also got lots of stuff to fill in. Stationary objects, there's some places that you're going to want to fill these in as you go. And I made a mistake, so you can skip that. So this is 5.9. 5.10 is the worksheet 1, just 1 page. Then we moved to 5.2, again, lots of sort of written things out. And again, I made another mistake, don't do that. And then here's some places for you to do this. Newton's second law, lots of space. These are still all part of the notes. And then your notes finish here with this little rafty thing. And then we do a lab, 5.15, it's Newton's second law. It looks like there's several pages. Now, as a note on this one, I did leave 5.19 blank because you're going to want to put a graph right here. So you're going to make a graph and you're going to put that right there. And then 5.20 is the analysis, and then the extensions on 21. And then we move to the last one. There's just three things. 5.3 is Newton's third laws. These are the Newton's laws, you might know, the first, second, and third law. And then the worksheet starts here. Lots of sort of space, that's a big font. Worksheet, and then we have our last lab, Newton's third law lab. There's 2 pages. I left this page and this page blank because again, there's some graphs that you're gonna have to tape into here when you're done. And then there's a summary, Newton's third law, or Newton's laws of motion summary, and it ends on page 33.